We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're looking at an HP CM6040 printer. We're going to show you how to remove and replace all the toners in the machine today. So the first thing you need to know is whenever you're changing a toner cartridge for this machine, to please always power the machine down. So the power switch is on the right side of the printer, located just to the right of the paper tray. Wait for the machine to actually power off, and then we're going to go down and you're going to grab the side of each handle, lower it down, and then remove one by one. There you'll see there's a little handle. Put your fingers into the little handle, slide the cartridge completely out, and then to set them down to avoid any kind of problems, I recommend turning them upside down on a clean, dry, flat surface. So we're going to do that for all 4 cartridges. So now we've removed all 4 cartridges. If you have any loose toner or anything that you see visible, you can use a lint-free cloth to kind of remove some of that just to get it up off the surface. The process of reinstalling the toner goes exactly the same. So we're just going to go ahead and put these ones back into the machine for now. So turn it back over and carefully make sure you line it up and push all the way until you feel it click into place. And you're going to repeat this each step for all 4 cartridges. You're going to make sure that always click all the way into place. And close the front door, and then power the machine back on. Now after you replace the toner cartridges, you'll see that you'll get a calibration message on the screen. That calibration screen can take anywhere between a few minutes to up to 5 minutes or so to complete. As long as your screen ends up in ready mode, then you're good to go. Everything should be good. If you wind up with an error, then please watch following videos and we can talk about how to resolve any errors you might have. If you have any other questions or you can't figure it out on your own, please feel free to give Onyx a call and we can see if we can help you out. Other than that, you should be back up and printing.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.